All right, welcome back to Blue House Travels Travel Services. Here with another room tour. We're in room 302 at the Marriott Town Suites in Altamont Springs, Florida. So we'll go ahead and start in here. You have a kitchen, you have a full freezer, a full refrigerator. Over here we have all the cabinet spaces. Oh, and we also have dishes and saucers as well as mugs and glasses. So that's good. If you have your family visiting with you, that'll be good for you. Then we're down here. We have the sink. We have the trash can. We have a dishwasher. And we have a full dishwasher here. We have a coffee maker. Right over here, we have a two burner right here to cook your food. Have a microwave. Have drawers, a toaster, a strainer, cutting board. Here we have some more baking pots and measuring cups. We have pans and pots right here, which is great. We have your coffee section right here for those coffee drinkers. Come in here. You have hooks to hook your clothes on, jackets and things like that. You have your full-length mirror over here, and then over here you have a table. The seats 4 people, so you can eat here as well as sit down and do any work or any business you might have. We have plugs right there, light switch, lamp. Right here we have a TV. And then we also have over there we have a thermostat. Then we have the beds right here, 2 queen size beds, lounge chair with a table to eat and drink. We have a lamp behind that. And right here, get the, there you go. So you light that up, and over here, you have wall art right here. It's pretty cool. And then over here, as I pull this back, you have your outside windows, and these windows look like, okay, so there's that. You have your heating and air system right there. Over here you have the phone. You have more outlets. Then you have USBs right here. You have your clock. Then you have your phone. You have your drawer. Put your Bibles in there. Some more storage. Stuff to put your clothes. Over here you have your trash can and your recycle bin as well. Then in here you have a full bath and shower with the shampoo, conditioner, as well as body wash that the hotel provides, which is always good just in case you don't have your own. You have full towels right here. You have washcloths as well as hand towels. here you have some more storage in your bathroom. Okay, all that storage there. Have a full-length mirror. You have your hair dryer for those ladies who need a hair dryer. And then you have another mirror. You have some lights. It's pretty good lighting in here. And then right here, you have a closet with the ironing board and iron, which is great. With some more storage in there as well. Put additional bags, depending on how large the size of your family. And that right there will conclude the room tour. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below. And until the next video, we're signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.